So let's see the simple step-by-step process to track a wallet on Axiom.trade. If you don't have an account on Axiom.trade, please feel free to use the first link in the description to register an account for yourself. Let's go in. By now, I believe you have the wallet address that you want to track and you want to see an alert on. But if you don't have, you can go to the top performing trade or trending trade and get the most profitable wallet that seems like an insider wallet. In this case, I'm going to use this wallet around this vision area of Axiom.trade. So we're going to copy the address. We've copied the address. The next thing is to click on this tracker. So when we click on this tracker, all we need to do is to click on the wallet. This is the entire interface of the tracker. These are the current wallet I'm actually tracking. You click on the wallet manager, click on add new wallet, paste the wallet address that you copied, the Solana wallet address that you copied, then give it a name. So once you give it, you can give it any name that you want. Then you can even add it to the main list. This is my main list. There are just 2 wallets right here, or you can create your own custom list. So now after doing that, you click on add wallet and you've successfully added wallet. Whenever this wallet buys or sell, an alert will be displayed right here. You will receive an alert, you will receive a sign. So now let me click on live trade. You see all the wallet that I'm actually tracking, the trade that they're taking, the coin that they bought, the amount they used, the market cap at which they bought those tokens. And if you further click on them, you will even see their current P&L. So now in this way, we can decide to buy the exact coin that they've bought and sell whenever they sell, because this seems to be insider traders. Okay, so now I just clicked on the first coin that particular wallet bought. You can see it like here, right here. It looks like a rock pool. Most of these wallets are just involved in a lot of rock pools. So now with that, now you could monitor any wallet on the blockchain and receive instant alert. So if you are still watching this video to this extent, just know that I'm grateful you stopped by. So like this video, subscribe to this channel right now, and make sure you always comment what your thoughts are. They are important in growing our community and for the growth of the videos. So please do that for me.